Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis quite a few times before in the past, so that's where all these different annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, definitely want to get some things updated here from the charting perspective. So with that being said, I'm going to clean up the chart here a little bit, just get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million annotations everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the past videos of mine on this, hopefully you remember me talking about right around that $2 area as support. But now that the price is below it, you would expect it to act as resistance. And it somewhat did. You can see right there, I think we can all agree that the highs from today got within the vicinity of that. So $2 now confirmed as that area of resistance. So in any sort of bounce to the upside, that initial hurdle that needs to be cleared above and then maintained above is $2. Now, what about areas of support? First area is this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Technically speaking, yes, the price did close below it. But the thing with supports and resistances is they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So at least in my opinion, I would still consider this within the range of that purple line there. But you certainly don't want to see any sort of separation to the downside. Now, I should have qualified that statement. If you're bullish, you don't want to see any more sort of separation to the downside. Obviously, if you're bearish, and yeah, the further it separates from that purple line, the better. But assuming you are bullish, like I said, I'll consider that still within the range of the purple line. But if it continues to separate to the downside, that's just a single signal, there we go, that the bears are gaining that much more control. In the event the price does continue to pull back, next key area of support to keep an eye on, and let's scrunch up the chart here, going to be right here around the $1.55 mark, give or take a little bit. You can see right here, price technically went above it. Right there, the price directly hit it. And then right here, price went slightly below it. So just trying to split the difference there. So purple line, the ideal level that you really do want to see hold, but if the bulls can hold above that, I'm not saying within 2 minutes the price will be down to $1.55, but that is the next overall area of support. So crazy day today, crazy day really across the markets. So it'll be interesting to see how everything unfolds tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.